down this very weird staircase.
And I'm dying right now.
Yes, I was doing that. Okay, we're into this video. This guy's thick, as always. So we're going to try testing out a bunch of things. And at the end, we are going to challenge ourselves to 4 mega hard challenges.
Yeah, like go up.
Number 1, try get to the end of this without oofing yourself.
No, and my challenge is to go all the way up there and say one embarrassing thing up there.
Oh, okay. Oh, I don't know what's happening. Haha.
What's happening to you? I don't know where you are.
The challenge is, the first challenge is going to first person and try to survive going in this. What just happened? Yeah, I can't survive. How are people getting big? I don't understand. Do you pay server run for 2 hours? Nice. So players join 2,000. That's like, it's like 1,000 people an hour. Wow.
Hey!
I think this is challenge.
Save me.
This is challenge number 2. Go in the swimming pool. I'm gonna drown. Why are we saving you?
Help me.
Wee. I was definitely not weeing in the pool. Look at this. These are my favourite types of stairs. You don't even have to walk up them. Just go on there once and it will take... Whoa! The second challenge is to try get up and then down this. Say but not I need to try and get down this. But what just happened? I guess that challenge is done. And this is challenge number 3. This is like the hardest challenge. If I can get up. Please? Anyone? Help. What are you even doing? You're not even doing the challenges.
Hey, it's not. Hey, if you
I can't get up.
We don't need to do any challenges right now. We don't.
Why? I'm going to do this challenge. Just climb up the stairs. Can't climb up the stairs in my house.
Challenge. Do you want to do my challenge with me? That was really.
Oh my god, that was the best.
Go.
Now, please watch this. Oof! This is oofed.
What has happened to that girl? I'm just in the house trying to get up.
Oh yeah, that's challenge number 3.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
I'm so slow.
And
This is like on Among Us when they put it they don't put it, they put it to 0.5 speed. And I think I have a cheat to do that.
I am actually playing Among Us right now.
No, you're not. I can see you.
I'm on my other tablet.
That's a bit weird and suspicious. Oh, someone just came falling down here.
Wait, you don't know because I'm in different house and we don't live together.
Then how can we hear each other?
Because we are on a call.
No, we're not.
Yeah,
What do you mean I can touch you? I'm hitting your knee.
No, you're not.
I think I did hit
I
your
have
knee.
security cameras in my little room.
Oh no, I can't reach it.
And I'm looking at
You're looking at me. So that's a bit weird.
Because I have security cameras and I'm looking at them.
Whoa.
And I'm also playing
This
this
tower It's so big. Woo! Okay. I don't think there's a simple way to get up that giant skyscraper. Did you know that skyscraper is actually infinite?
Do you see me up here?
No.
Look.
Do you see me down here? And then.
Do you see me now?
No. You see me now?
Yeah, I just saw you.
Oof. How high up are you? I cannot see you. Did you know it's taller than it actually looks? Why am I so tall? Feels like I'm 6 foot. Look at you. You're so beautiful. Blue with a new. What? Can someone help me? Oh no.
Moldy Muffin is actually
So lazy.
Muffin.
Can you help me?
Moldy Muffin is
Help me, please.
actual.
Oh my god. It's fixing. My head's spinning. Yes.
Muffin Man. No, not Muffin Man.
I'm Muffin Man. What do you mean?
You
Do you know the
Moldy
Muffin Man?
Muffin is actually my sister.
And you are actually my sister.
No. She is my sister. I
No,
don't even have a brother.
Then how do we know each other?
Kids were friends. Wait, do you see me?
No. I'm climbing up this tower like so fast. Oh my god, I nearly fell out. I can see. Whoa, someone's giant. How did they get that big? They're giant even from here. Look at them. Wonder how many C's you have put on those stick. I wonder how many C's it has. Holy 100 C's.
It's something like the tower, not just looking at people through the window.
Actually, I will become higher. Oh my, I just fell out the tower. Look at this, I fell out the tower. And this isn't the only game we're going to be playing today. It's going to be...
I don't know what game that we could play.
What is it? Die?
VR.
Look at that. What's VR? Look at this. I'm going to die. Whoa! What? Oh no. I'm in one of those infinite loops.
Then someone said send in the chat.
Okay. Finally made it. Oh no!
Do you see me? Whoa.
Oh my god. Stand here in the next... Whoa! How tall am I?
I'm growing. I'm actually
6 foot.
very tall. And I see. Well, I don't have a little bit more stairs
I'm 6
to
foot.
go. I'm using my little legs. I think I'm tired. I just had to eat a bit of
Look
the
at this.
window. I actually had to eat a bit of the window because I was hungry. No, I'm just joking. I actually just ate some of my muffins. They had my lunch. I made it to the top.
What the?
I made it to the top.
The invincible muffin. No, this balloon can't knock me off. Okay, knock me off.
I made it at the top. Hey, do you see me? Oh my god. Okay. What do you want me to say embarrassing? Do you want me to say something embarrassing? Someone pushed me! No! Someone pushed me off! Someone pushed me off of that! I was really tall! Let's just
Yeah,
play
what is
some
something?
VR.
Yeah.
Hey.
LOL. In 20. Oh, that guy's doing a dance. But he's very small. Oh, very small. And lol. Face.
Should we play
lol.
VR now?
2, 1.
Can we play
Spawn
VR
balloon.
now? Can I come?
What? Why are you just lying down?
Because
I'm the best. Look how tall I am, guys. What the?
How do I pull out?
No, you want that? Oh, ew.
Wait, now do you want?
Yes. This is the best. Oh, look at the chat. It's the best thing ever. I'm just making jokes of how tall I am. Yes, I'm so tall. Blah.
Let's talking to a guy.
My arm is literally the size of this girl. How do people go fast and stuff? And go big? I don't get it. Oh my god! Come here. This is the most beautiful thing of all time. Marry me. You are the tallest. You are so tall. Look! Can I marry you? You're so beautiful. Oh no, you went to normal, but I still want to marry you.
Play VR now.
VR? What's VR?
I'll
If I
show
don't know
you.
what it is, I won't play it. I won't play it.
I'll show you.
Well, look at this. There's a thing. Oh, someone's doing a not smiley face. They're doing a sad face.
Oh, don't worry.
I'm in the cannon, guys. How do you sit in a cannon? No. I think we should play a different game. This is so crazy. Whoa!
Yes. Fully go. Hey, should we play another game but you don't know but
I'm trying to compete in this competition. Oh no. Let's go on a game. What game do you want?
VR.
I think that was a bit fun. So I think this is gonna be the end of this video and what's happening to my screen. Goodbye, everybody. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that thick bell like hiya.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Ragdoll and the other game that we're playing, but it's underwater. Okay, this is gonna be the end of this video. Goodbye.